So hi Math 1 students, this is Ms. Sondecker talking about the study guide for Unit 5 exponential functions. On problems 1, 2, and 3, you're looking at 3 different functions and I'm asking you to evaluate them for different values for x. So you've got f of x equals 3 to the x power, f of x equals 2 times 3 to the x power, and f of x equals 10 of x to the squared. Now, if you look at each one of these, you're going to see that for the first one, when we do f of x, we're going to take and we're going to replace the x here with the value. So let me just do a little eraseroo here, and let's get rid of this x here and this x here, and let's replace it with x is equal to 3, because that's what it's asking us to do. So we're going to make, this is going to become a 3. And we're going to put the x, which was right here, we're going to make that a 3 as well. So when we evaluate this, if we have f of 3 is going to be 3 cubed, then another word for that is going to be 3 times 3 times 3, or 27. So for that first question, f of x is equal to 27. Now for question number 2, it wants us to replace x with 2. So we're going to replace x with the number 2. So let's get rid of the x's, this x right here, and let's get rid of this x. And we're going to replace both of those with the number 2. So in this case, we're going to say f of 2 is equal to 2 times x to the second power. And then we're going to have 2 times 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. So we're going to have 2 times 9. And for this one, we're going to get f of x is equal to 18. All right, and let's look at the last one. This time it asks us to replace x with 7. So we'll go in here and let's replace our x's with the number 7. So f of 7, and to make this kind of clear, it's a 7, not a t, I'm going to put the 7 in parentheses because otherwise it looks kind of complicated there. So we'll take and make it look like this. So now I have 10 times 7 squared, and 7 squared is 49. So when I evaluate this, I'm going to get 49 times 10, or 490. And that's how you do the first 3 problems on our study guide.